Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. From a single spark to a steady flame, it's the story of Regency Petroleum. Here is Deirdre Thomas with this evening's edition of the Business Review.
From the hardware aisles to the gas pump lanes, Andrew Williams, CEO of Regency Petroleum, has blazed an entrepreneurial trail that's nothing short of high octane.
Went to Monroe College 7 years, so boarded at Monroe for the full 7 years. I was the head of the cadet unit for 2 years, so I had some military training and was supposed to follow through in aviation. However, at the time my parents weren't in approval of that, and I had a business background also. So we decided to follow through with accounting.
Building on that experience, he and his wife took bold steps in 2003, pooling their resources, knowledge and ambition to open a hardware store which would lay the foundation for even greater moves.
After being in the hardware business, I branched out now into construction. So we have a construction company that was formed, that's originally formed by my brother when I was still in university. He had the construction business going on, and I came in and fell in as a director.
Yet, Mr. Williams' journey was far from over. Being always on the lookout for opportunities in the market led him to launch Regency Petroleum.
There was an advertisement in the Sunday paper one Sunday in 2016, 2017, thereabout. And I saw the advertisement for a supplier, for a wholesaler distributor, which was along my line. So made a phone call on the Monday morning. So it happened to be a company, or the owner of the company happened to be somebody who I know quite well, who actually went to Monroe with me. And he encouraged the idea and went about and did our first purchases and first delivery.
While turnover in the early days wasn't quite where he wanted it, somewhere along the line, his passion was ignited for the energy industry.
For the cooking gas business, the primary challenge would have been the capital expenditure and the risk of the cylinders.
From supplying cooking gas to powering a full-fledged petroleum marketing company, Regency Petroleum has cemented its place in the local energy market, and the entrepreneur says his $100 million investment is fueling real returns.
Just by growing it organically, it grew significantly in a short space of time. We saw where the more you put in is the more you are getting from it.
For him, it's not just about profit. His focus now is on keeping the flames of growth burning bright and lighting the way for others.
We want to build out across the country our petroleum stations, our automotive fuel stations, gas stations. We want to build out across the country our LPG household cylinder market share and bulk market share, and also to move internationally and be a multinational.
For the Business Review, I'm Deirdre Thomas.